Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a request letter for office equipment. What is a request letter for office equipment? A request letter for office equipment is a formal document written to your supervisor or the relevant department requesting specific equipment or supplies needed for your work. It should include details such as the equipment you need, the reason for the request, and any relevant justification. Make sure to be clear, concise, and professional in your letter. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a request letter for office equipment step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write your information as the sender of this letter. You can write your full name. Under it, write your title or job position or occupation in your company or organization. Write also the department if any. In this case, the letter is written by a general manager from purchase department. Under it, write the name of the company or organization. You can either give the address or not if this is a repeat order from the company. For the next, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is September 5, 2023. For the next, you can write the details about the recipient. Write the full name. Under it, write the title or job position or occupation in the company or organization. Don't forget to mention the department as well. And of course, write the name of the company. In this example is LMC Office Vendors Solutions Private Limited. After that, write the address of the company. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you finished, write the subject of the letter. In this case, just simply write office equipment request letter. And now, you may open the letter with salutation. Write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. You can directly say that you write this letter to place or request an order of some office equipment with the recipient's organization. After that, you can directly mention what kind of equipment you need for your office or company. In this example, the writer requests for some basic office's equipment. And you need to mention the equipment one by one complete with the number of the item. In this example, the writer needs 3 units of sofa set. The writer also requests for 6 units of single wooden chairs. It would be nice if you make it in bullet points to make the list. But it is also okay to put them in a paragraph like shown in this video. So, the writer also write that the company needs 12 units of split air conditioner machine. And when you talk about electronics, it is a must to make it specific, like they should have 2 tones cooling capacity each or something. After mentioning the whole items you need for the office, you can also request for the service to install them. Some companies provide both the products and the installation service. And when you order it, write the time or deadline for the company to deliver and install them. In this example, the writer requests the recipient to install them all within next month, which is October. Don't forget, you must attach the money order for an advance booking amount. Mention how much it is. In this example, the writer attached $10,000. You can only do this for the trusted supervisor or company that you have strong connection with. And talk about the remaining payment. You can say that the remaining payment will be credited directly to the recipient's bank account once they completed the installation work of the office equipments. In the second paragraph, after completing the entire request for the office equipment, you can ask the recipient to confirm the order. Ask also the recipient to inform you about the probable date of delivery of those ordered items. After that, write that you look forward to an early reply in this regard from the recipient's side. Since this business include huge amount of money, you can also write your hope that you and recipient's company can share a long-term professional relationship. And welcome the recipient to contact you if they have questions or doubts about the order. If this is your repeat order, you don't need to provide your contact information, they already have it. And finally, you can close the letter by thanking the recipient. Add your signature, and write your full name under it as well as your occupation in the company. So, that's how you write a request letter for office equipment step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.